If you're stuck wondering what's the easiest business you can start with little to no money, no fancy degree, and no big-time experience, this video's for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly what that business is, why it works, and how you can start it this week, even if you're starting from zero. Here's the truth. Most beginner entrepreneurs fail before they even start. Why? Because they try to build something too big, too complicated, or too expensive. What you need is a simple, proven model that makes money fast and teaches you the skills you'll need to build bigger things later. So what's the easiest business for beginners? Here it is, a service-based business. Specifically, offering something you already know or do as a service to others, either one-on-one or in small groups. Teaching online classes based on your hobby like knitting, playing piano, cooking, or fitness. Tutoring school subjects such as math, English, or science, even if you're not a teacher. Helping older adults with tech basics like Zoom, iPhones, or email. Resume and job interview coaching. Organizing or decluttering services, whether virtual or local. Pet sitting or dog walking. Virtual accountability coaching for people trying to hit goals. You don't need to reinvent yourself. You just need to take something you're already good at or already do and package it for someone who needs help. Let's say you love cooking and you teach 3 people how to make healthy meals over Zoom every week. You charge $50 per person per session. That's $150 a week, $600 a month for just doing something you already enjoy. Now maybe you're thinking, but I'm not an expert. You don't need to be. You just need to be one step ahead of the person you're helping. People aren't paying for perfection. They're paying for help. And if you still feel unsure, there are tons of free resources to polish up your skills and confidence. You can literally learn as you go. Here's why service businesses are perfect for beginners. Low startup costs, fast learning curve, and instant cash flow. You're not spending months building a product. You can get paid in your first week. If this is clicking with you, hit that like button so more people see it. And if you're serious about getting started, I've got a free downloadable cheat sheet in the description. Let's walk through the step-by-step to launch your first service business this week, even on nights and weekends. Pick a simple, everyday service. Something friends already ask you for help with. Literally, you can start a business out of anything. For your information, there are people offering cuddling services for hundreds of dollars per hour. Create a simple offer. Who do you help? What do you help them do? How do you deliver it? Set a simple price, $25 to $75 per hour for one-on-one or $10 to $30 per person for group sessions. Find your first clients through social media, local Facebook groups, and word of mouth. Deliver a great session, ask for feedback, offer referrals, rinse and repeat. Once you've done this a few times, you can raise your rates or outsource the work. And boom, you've got a mini agency. That's how people go from freelancer to business owner. And, that's the secret most people never tell you. Start small, scale smart, do it, refine it, delegate it. Before we wrap up, here are 3 beginner traps to avoid. 1, waiting too long to start. 2, undercharging. And 3, not treating it like a real business. Avoid these traps. The easiest business to start isn't glamorous, but hey, it's real. It works. And it's the best way to build skills, confidence, and cash flow. Fast, real, doable, profitable. If you want me to walk you through this one-on-one, drop a comment saying starter or grab the free guide in the description. And let me know in the comments, which service are you going to start